Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're back with the Samsung 4-door Bespoke Flex with the Family Hub fridge. So we're here with that. And one of the things that we pointed out was the fact that you could actually open the door by just passing your hand across the back of it, and it has this auto fridge open feature. And I really like it. I think it's fantastic. But as one of our users pointed out, maybe it's not so awesome when you have kids. So if a kid could walk by and do that and they leave the fridge open, that could be a problem. So there is a way you can shut it off. So what you have to do is you have to come in here, and this is going to go into your apps. So you're going to click on apps. Then you're going to see Fridge Manager. So in all of your apps, you'll see Fridge Manager. You're going to click on that. And then all you really need to do is go into Settings on here. And you're going to scroll through this list. So this list has a list of things, and it says Auto Open Door, and you just have to toggle it off. Auto Open Door will be off, proceed, and you hit proceed. Boom. And you can see the toggle now is off. And when you go back to your thing, doesn't work. So if you do have toddlers, you have little kids, things like that, you're worried about that feature. You know, it is something I think is fantastic as an adult. If I have dirty hands or something like that, I can pass my hand across it and it opens. I think it's awesome. I'm going to turn it back on. That's how awesome I think it is. Back into the fridge settings, and got to go into settings here. There is a settings on the home screen. You would think it's there. It's not. Don't go into that one. I'm going to turn it back on. There we go. And then I'll go back to it. And now, if I pass my hand across the back of it, boom, opens again. So there we go. It's not in this settings. So that's it. So that's how you shut off the auto door open feature of the Samsung Bespoke 4-door Flex Family Hub fridge. If you have any other questions, you have any things you want us to show you, let us know. Subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Super thanks is always welcome, and we'll see you next time.